Are you also tired of seeing those psoriasis marks even after your skin has healed? Have you tried multiple steroid-based creams and ointments that contain harmful chemicals like parabens and phthalates but still not achieved clear, smooth and glowing skin? Well, if your answer is yes, then today I will share with you a natural homemade psoriasis cream that helps lighten psoriasis scars, hydrates dry skin and restores your skin's natural glow without any side effects or chemicals. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to Bharat Homeo Skin Doctor YouTube channel. I am Dr. Madhvi Vash, your skin and wellness doctor. I have years of extensive clinical experience in treating psoriasis, eczema, seborrheic dermatitis, acne and many other chronic skin problems through holistic and natural methods. So let's talk about this wonderful homemade psoriasis cream that works wonders on old scars, discoloration and dry patches caused by psoriasis. Now let's know what ingredients you will require to prepare this natural DIY homemade psoriasis cream. 2 teaspoons of aloe vera gel, fresh gel is preferred. 1 teaspoon of virgin coconut oil or shea butter. Shea butter will be a better option. 1 teaspoon of vitamin E oil. Half teaspoon of turmeric powder. It should be organic for anti-inflammatory effects. 1 teaspoon of rosehip oil which helps fade scars and pigmentation. Half teaspoon of neem leaf paste or neem oil for its antibacterial and soothing effect. Half teaspoon of fresh cucumber juice. Okay, so now let's move on to how you can prepare this simple DIY homemade psoriasis cream for scars and patches. Take a clean bowl and add aloe vera gel as the base. Now add coconut oil or shea butter and mix them until you get a smooth creamy consistency. Next, add turmeric, vitamin E oil, neem paste and rosehip oil and stir the mixture thoroughly. Finally, pour in cucumber juice to give the cream a refreshing texture. Blend all the ingredients well until you get a light buttery cream. Now you can store this in a small glass jar and refrigerate it for up to 15 days. Alright, so now let's come to the very important part of this video, how and when to apply this cream for more benefits. Before applying, clean your affected skin area with mild lukewarm water and gently pat it to dry. Take a small amount of cream on your fingertip and apply it over the psoriasis scars in gentle circular motion. Massage lightly for 2 to 3 minutes to ensure complete absorption. Leave it overnight if possible or at least for 1 hour before rinsing with plain water. Follow this routine every night before sleep for faster and visible results. Within a week of consistent use, you will notice your psoriasis scars lightening, your skin becoming smoother, hydrated and even toned, and that dryness and irritation gradually disappearing. For best results, pair this cream with a healthy psoriasis-friendly diet. Include foods rich in omega-3s, antioxidants, and avoid processed, sugary and dairy-heavy items. This will enhance your healing from within and speed up scar fading naturally. So I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you want more such natural skincare remedies and psoriasis related videos, make sure to like, share and subscribe to Bharat Homeo Skin Doctor YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, stay healthy and keep your skin glowing naturally. Namaste.